Hi, I am S. Krishna Prasad, a passionate learner from TDO AC at Government College of Engineering, Salem. But more than just a student, I am someone who has felt what it's like to work hard in a silence, to keep trying without anyone noticing. That feeling stayed with me, and it became the seed for what I'm presenting today. So I didn't just build a project, I built something I truly believe in. Today, I am here not just as a coder or a presenter, but as a voice for those whose effects deserve to be unseen. In today's fast paced academic world, only final results are visible. But behind every achievement, there's a long journey of a daily struggles, small wins, and a silent perseverance. Unfortunately, these efforts often go unnoticed. Streak changes that. It creates a personal space where students can track the daily achievements, maintain consistency streaks, receive feedback from advisors, stay motivated through our progress reflections. For faculty and our mentors, it becomes a window into each student's growth, allowing them to guide, encourage, and appreciate even the smallest efforts. More than a tracking system, Streak is a belief system. A belief that efforts matter, that showing up every day, no matters how small the step, it's worth celebrating. In short, Streak exists to make students feel seen, valued, and unstoppable. So, without wasting any time, we just start our project live demo session. If It's actually for both the students and teachers. First, we start with the student. If a student didn't actually log in before, you can easily able to sign up here. If a student has already signed up, you can actually log in here. I will actually log in with a demo account. You can choose any one of it. I'll choose myself, enter password, and login. And this is what a student's dashboard is about. This actually consists of four navbars, one suggestions about the portfolio and logout. And each student can able to submit their daily achievements and even notice and even gets notified whenever they get a feedback about the project from a mentor side. It's actually a past history from a teacher's students conversation. You can easily submit your day-to-day achievements through this button. When you click it, it will actually get into the top submit HTML page. You can also select on which teacher you actually need to submit. I select one, Mr. Manibaldi, our mentor, who's actually give us this idea, and I'm actually going to submit my feedback. Just for a demo purpose, I just submit, and you can directly see that's actually reflected on H3 page. And you can also able to see the previous notifications of feedback from our mentors. And this for the demos, I actually got feedback from an Manibaldi sir and then a Dinakaran sir. This actually what about a student's database page, and it's one of a special kind of a things that each students can able to do, and a suggestions tab. And from this suggestions tab, only teachers can able to post. Here you can see that Dinakaran sir has posted a contribute to the society to the TN startup, and with a corresponding link. And each students on reading upon this message can able to visit the link. It's actually very useful for the students in order to get monitor, making a global startup. It's actually about a link page where each student without worrying about anything can able to log in and get to the point straight. Okay, this what actually about, and we see about something about page. Whenever a students have filled this form, it's actually more than enough to build a portfolio for that student. After editing and updating your information, you just click on update information so that all information gets stored into the database. And here's what a portfolio. We actually build a separate portfolio for the students who actually log into our application. Whenever you click that, it's actually taken to that of a separate portfolio where you can able to see the progress of students, like what are the achievements they have built. They can able to post it on a video or a PDF format, screenshot, whatever they actually like to want. If you actually want to see that, you can easily click on download button and actually get downloaded. You can also see that here. That's actually so fast. And back to the form, the students can also can able to get contacted through LinkedIn, Twitter, GitHub or Instagram if they wish to. If they just press on a link, it's actually taken to that of a corresponding Instagram page or whatever they actually like. This what actually about a student's dashboard, and they can even able to log out from the site. It's not only for a single user, the user can be scaled up to the top of millions. We are actually building on it. And next we see about a teacher's homepage. We are actually maintaining a corresponding database for both as teachers and then a student separately. So you actually don't need to worry about whether the database got mixed up. And selecting for a teacher, the teacher's dashboard is something different from that of a students. It actually contains two more extra columns like a view students and in submit achievements, submit suggestions. Here you see that the messages that's corresponding to that. You can also submit the messages or even get a notification. Do you remember that I actually posted this message earlier? Today I submitted my project, sir. You can also send message or send feedback directly using this or corresponding button that I actually showed before to you. I'm going to send a reply for the students. Just for a demo purpose, I submit to. What the special thing about this, each student can be monitored using that of a teacher. Each teacher can able to monitor the progress of a students through this view students method. The view students method actually lists a list of students that can actually log into the page. You can view using that. The teachers can able to visit the portfolio and they can see, but they cannot able to upload the form because it's just for read-only purpose. The teachers can able to see what all the students have actually done through this project's field. They can also even visit and read. This is one of a cool and special thing about our project. And they can also even get contacted through this page. It's actually getting to the corresponding link they actually provided using that. And this is considered to be as one of a special thing that each students get monitored through the daily progress by our teachers. And you can also even submit the suggestion that can be viewed by all the students toward the database. Suggestions like you can do whatever you want. Suggestion in this submit suggestion, what is the special thing about this is if you type and give a corresponding link, each student that you actually following you can able to see and visit that link, just like as showed before. The suggestions tab is what this actually does to each. This is only for the teachers. They can able to contribute to that. They can able to post a message and a corresponding link so that each student can able to verify what date and what time is actually done. They can also visit and fill up the forms, or they can read the articles if they wish to. And this is what is actually about. This may be the end of our presentation, but for us, it's not the end of our project. It's just the beginning of something that can truly change the way we look at efforts. We didn't just build this to submit, we built it to continue. Because as long as the students trying silently, streak will keep reminding them you matter, your effort matters, and your journey matters. In short, this project doesn't end here, it starts here, and we are just getting warmed up. Thank you for viewing all this video. Thanks.